Hey, welcome to Say It Right. Today we're going to talk about the word Volkswagen. It's spelled Volkswagen, but here's how you actually say it. Volkswagen. Let's break it down. Volkswagen. Say it with me. Volkswagen. Nice job. Now let's talk about what Volkswagen actually means. In German, Volks means people and Wagen means car, so Volkswagen actually means people's car. It's the name of a super famous car brand, and you probably know cars like the Beetle or the Golf. Here are a couple of examples of how to use it. I've always wanted a Volkswagen. Or, Volkswagen has such a cool history in car design. Let's practice the pronunciation again. Ready? Say it with me. Volkswagen. Great job, you've got it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right. Take care.